Tips for creating an attractive online or dating profile. Here are some step-by-step tips for creating an attractive online or dating profile. Step 1. Choose a good profile picture. The first step in an online or dating profile is choosing a good profile picture. This is the first thing a potential match will see, so make sure it is a clear and attractive photo. Choose a photo that shows off your best features and reflects who you are. Step 2. Write a compelling bio. Your bio is your chance to tell potential matches a little about yourself. Be honest and authentic in your writing, and try to show your personality. You can include things like your hobbies, interests, and what you're looking for. Step 3. Be specific while writing your online or dating profile. Be specific about the things you like and don't like. This will help potential matches better understand who you are and what you're looking for. For example, instead of saying that you love to travel, mention a particular place that you love. Step 4. Show. Don't tell when you describe yourself and your interests. Try to show rather than tell. This means using specific examples and anecdotes to illustrate your points. For example, instead of saying you're funny, tell a funny story that shows your sense of humor. Step 5. Be positive when creating your online or dating profile. Try to be positive. Focus on the things you like and enjoy, not the things you don't. This will help attract like-minded people and make you more approachable. Step 6. Be honest above all. Be honest in your online or dating profile. Don't try to be someone you're not or misrepresent yourself in any way. It's better to be straight and honest from the start so that you can find someone who will like you just the way you are. Step 7. Update your profile regularly. Lastly, be sure to update your online or dating profile regularly. This will show potential matches that you are active and engaged in the online or dating profile. Update your photo, video, and interests as needed, and don't be afraid to try new things to improve your profile. For better results, you should try Kamved brand perfume. Kamved perfume can be used for mood regulation, upliftment, reduction, mental health and emotional benefits. If you are struggling with loneliness, sadness, self-esteem and confidence, then you can start your journey with Kamved perfume. When you meet someone by applying the perfume of Kamved, then the person in front is tremendously impressed by you. This perfume will get you more attention and better chances of social interaction. If you want to make yourself attractive, then Kamved perfume can help you with this. Kamved perfume is a famous brand from France. It makes a variety of perfumes for men and women, whose fragrance lasts for 24 hours, so it is the first choice for men and women. It is available at all online stores. Please see the link to order online. By following these steps, you can create an attractive online or dating profile that will help you find the right peoples. Good luck to you! Best wishes for your future. Please like, subscribe, and comment on our latest videos to let us know what topics interest you the most.